welcome back to day 7 of the Crochet Society Advent Crochet Along. Today we are going to be continuing to add to this project. We are going to be using day 7's colour and the same crochet hook. So let's get started. As always, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box and you'll find the link there to the written pattern. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for today we're going to start off with a slip knot and we're going to join into the first stitch of the blanket. We're going to have the right side facing us. So the first stitch just here, and we're going to be doing a standing double crochet. So we're going to go into that first stitch, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both of those loops. That's a standing double crochet in UK terms. In the US this is known as a standing single crochet. So I will be talking in UK terms throughout this video, as I do throughout the whole of the project. Okay, so we've done our standing double crochet. We then have a pattern repeat. So I'm going to mark that very first stitch and then we're going to get started with a pattern repeat. So the first one, the first part of the pattern repeat is a front loop treble 2 down. So a treble crochet is a US double crochet. And what this means is we're going to work 2 rows down. So we're not going to work into the row that we're currently on. This is 1 row. We're going to work into the row 2 rows below, this second row down just here. And you can see that we actually worked into the back loop on this row anyway. So if I went underneath that stitch, you can see that we have the front loop still there. So what we want to do here is yarn over, go into that front loop, yarn over, pull through, you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, you'll have 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that is your front loop treble 2 down. We will then miss that stitch that we've just worked over because this stitch caters for that particular stitch. And then we have 7 back loop double crochets. So just working into the back loop, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And that is the pattern repeat that we're going to be doing. So to start that again, we'll do the front loop treble 2 down. So it's yarn over, find the next stitch but go 1 stitch below. You can use your hook to hook into it if it's easier, so you just bring your hook round and go into that stitch, complete your treble crochet, miss that stitch that we've just worked over, and then 7 back loop double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you're going to repeat that all the way along until you have 2 stitches remaining. So pause the video and then meet me back once you're ready. Okay, so once you've worked your way across, this is what your work should be looking like. We have 2 stitches remaining. And in these last 2 stitches, what we're going to do is do 1 front loop treble down into that next stitch, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet into that final stitch. And at this point we are going to fasten off because that is all for today. So it's a nice and easy one. There we go. So this is what the work is looking like. That is day 7 of the Crochet Society Advent Crochet Along. Please don't forget to tag myself, Crochet Society and Rosina in your progress pictures because we would absolutely love to see where you're up to. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.